I will be performing a torch test, and this will be a comparison test for the flow liner cured in place conduit shown here in the tray, which is the pink liner, versus a PVC conduit, which is the gray plastic sample that's shown in the tray. This is a standard PVC conduit for underground piping. And this is the flow liner cured in place conduit, which is a liner for underground conduit and ducts. We will be exposing both samples to a high temperature torch. This torch is approximately 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. And we'll be doing approximately a 30-second torch exposure test to each sample. First sample that we'll do is the flow liner cured in place conduit sample. And we'll start the timer. And this will be for a 30-second exposure. And we have the torch right up against the conduit. You can see it starting to turn brown. We're at 14 seconds. We're getting a charred on the inside, and now we're getting a flame. We're at 23 seconds. And we're at 30 seconds. We'll remove that from the flame, and you can see that the flame automatically goes out. It self-extinguishes. There is a black mark on the inside. We'll look on the outside, and it has not burnt through, nor has it melted or distorted the form of the liner. The next sample will be the PVC. We will clear the timer and start for the 30 seconds. And again, the flame will be against the conduit. Right away it flames. We have a flame right away. Very black smoke coming from the conduit. We're at 20 seconds. 27 seconds, very black smoke, and 30 seconds. And you can see that it's much more charred than the liner. Has not burnt through to the other side, but the smoke was a lot more intense, and you can see that there's definitely a condition problem where it actually melted the conduit, versus again the liner sample where it did char the liner but did not do anything as far as the structural integrity of the liner. The liner also, if you noticed, self-extinguished much faster than the PVC. And this concludes the torch test of the flow liner cured in place liner versus the PVC conduit.